Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Suzuki Swace key battery. First thing, release the emergency key, push the lever over, release the key, and see the gap there? You just use the key, right, to twitch it open like that. Yeah, it's open. Yeah, here's the battery. Yeah, CR2450 battery. Okay, so push the battery out. Yeah, here's the battery CR2450. Yeah, to replace it, go in like that. Yeah, go in first like that. Press it down. Line the cover up. Okay, press it down. Okay, put the key back on. Okay, this is a Suzuki Swace key battery. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.